Hello and welcome to Gimp Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install and set up new brushes for Gimp version 2.10. First thing I'll do is open up your browser. I'll be using Google Chrome. And then type in brushezzy.com. BRUSHEEZY.com. And then I'm going to go and search. You can search for whatever type of brush you would like to try. I'll be using a smoke brush. Type in smoke. And on the top left of some of these, you'll notice this is premium. That means you'll have to pay for it. But if it doesn't, that means it'll be free. So you can scroll through all of these, try them out. I'll be using this one here. Not all the brushes work, so you might have to try some of them out. Most of them do. When you get to it, click on free download. You just X out of that, select free download, and then it'll start to install in just a minute. And then here it is when it starts to install. Once it's finished installing, you can click the arrow and select open. And then go to where you saved it. And here it's in a zip file. You need to right click that and select extract all. I'm just going to click extract. And then if it automatically opens the file, you can just continue. But if not, you'll have to open up this unzipped file. And then open it up again. And here it'll have a file, and it'll be an ABR file. If there's more than one, just make sure you select the ABR file. Right click it, you can either copy or cut. I'll be copying. Go to where you have Gimp saved on. I have it saved on my operating system hard drive. And select program files. And then Gimp 2, share, Gimp 2.0 brushes. And you can just paste it into here. Right click and select paste. And if it asks you for the admin access, you gotta click continue and then type in your password. And then when it's done, you can X out of all this. And then load Gimp. Once Gimp finishes loading, you'll see appear. The brushes will all be in here. If they do not appear in your brushes menu, you're going to click this green arrow where it says refresh brushes, and then it should show up, or it'll give you an error, which means the brush doesn't work. So to test that, go to File. I'm going to create a new blank canvas, and you'll see the brush is huge right now. So to make it smaller, just change the size, and you can try it out. And you'll see it gives a pretty cool smoke effect for this brush. And they have all different types. And you have to change the size. And then you can go through all the different types of brushes and try them out. And that is how to install and set up new brushes for Gimp version 2.10. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.